All right, in this section of our tutorials, we are going to continue where we left off. Doesn't look like I have any screen issues, so let's jump right in. So we are going to be using the, what is this? I don't even know what these are. rqtconsole and roslaunch. So debugging. Use rqtconsole, rqtlogger level for debugging. ROS launcher starting many nodes. If you use ROS Fuerte or earlier, we don't. So let's go. So we've already got ROS Lunar installed, and we will continue to use that. So let's kick off a couple of things. So I know we're going to need ROS core running, so we'll run ROS core here. Cool. And the first thing we do, we're supposed to have a turtle sim running. History turtle. Can you hear my dogs growling in the background? Why not? Let's try that again. There it is. I must have lost a connection of some sort there. So I have my turtle node running. Now let's run another. All right, so the turtle's running. So now we'll run ROS run console rqtconsole in one window. Oh, you don't see that up there, so I'll bring that down here. We'll tuck it away in this corner. Cool. And then another SSH. And we'll run an rqt logger. And I'll move that down here as well for you to see. So now we can see both of these. Let's see. We will see two windows pop up. Yes, we totally did. ROS out, turtle sim. Oh, okay, so I already did that. I already ran ROS run turtle sim node. Since the default log level is info, you will not see anything that turtle sim publishes when it starts up, which should look like this. Oh, see, I already had the turtle sim running. That's okay. We'll leave it there. Now let's change the log level to warn by refreshing nodes in ROS rqt level window and selecting warn as shown below. So ROS out, ROS warn. Now let's run our turtle into the wall and see what happens in our console. Hydro on later. So I guess we're going to tell it to go somewhere. And then it'll puke on us. So let's try to do that. So let me get all these out. So yeah. I talk to myself a lot, and that's why I figured you might want to hear me talk to myself. So we'll do another SSH window. I could have released this off from the console, but I did not. Let me run. Oh, let me grab that command again. Command. Okay, there we go. And what happens? Oh, it's moving. You see my turtle? Hey, you're a slow turtle. Should have made it move faster. Come on, turtle. Ooh, twist. Remember the twisting? Up, down, left, right. Up, down, left, right, right, left. All over the place. Up, up. Turtle. See, the turtle hit something. And we're getting some in the console. Displaying messages. 80, 90, 70. Oh no. Can I pick one of those? Here we go. Details. Oh, where's the top of that window? Oh, I don't see the top of that window. Weird. So we just see a lot of turtle simulator stuff because dude is running into the wall. Let's see. What does it want me to do? Oh no, I hit the wall. Did it say that? Let's make it a little bigger. Clamping. Oh no, I hit the wall. time. Oh, this is super helpful. So this didn't exist last time I used ROS. Or we didn't finish the tutorial, so I didn't know about it. Okay, cool. Quick note about log levels. So I've been a software engineer for like 20 years, and log levels are a pretty darn standard thing. So that is pretty cool. Control C our turtle sim. Let's use roslaunch to pick up multiple turtle sim nodes and mimicking node. Huh, fun. I think this is my turtle sim. I'll kill it. Goodbye, Mr. Turtle Sim. So we'll use ROS launch to start nodes. So let's go. Let's say ROS CD beginner tutorials. This is the oh, there's something I have to do, isn't there? If ROS CD says something similar yet. Hey, it did. You'll need a source. See, I knew all these things. Catkin. Then I gotta set up my development environment. Now I should be able to do it. Bazinga. See, there's always things I forget. That's why I'm going through this tutorial. So when I want to work, then I'm going to run that. I'm going to run ROS devel setup bash. Cool. Now let's make a launch directory. So make dir launch. Let's try to resize these so they're both kind of visible. All right, they're both kind of visible. You don't want to see my YouTubes. Launch. Then CD launch. So I'm in home Chris or home CF Kagan workspace source beginner tutorials launch. Note the directory to store launch files doesn't necessarily have to be named launch. In fact, you don't even need to store them in a directory. ROS launch command automatically looks for the past packages and detects, etc., etc. Now let's create a launch file called turtle mimic.launch. So I'm going to grab it and then I'll figure out what it does. So vi turtle mimic.launch. Okay, let's see if we can figure this out before I read more. Group namespace turtle sim1 package turtle sim turtle sim node. Okay, so I'm making 1 turtle sim, 2 turtle sim, node package mimic type mimic. Okay, so remap from input to turtle1, output to turtle sim2 turtle1. So am I, whatever I send to turtle1, turtle2 is also going to get? Let's see. Let's break it down. Launch, yep, we do that. Here we start 2 groups with namespaces, turtle sim2, turtle sim1, turtle sim2. Here we start 2 groups, and yeah, we did that. Here we start the mimic node with the topics, inputs, and outputs renamed to turtle sim1, turtle sim2. This renaming will cause turtle sim2 just to mimic turtle sim1. That's what I guessed. Okay, so we'll write it, escape :WQ, ROS launch, beginner tutorials, turtle mimic, one of them, .launch. Okay, I see 1. Is there a hiding turtle behind it? Aha! 2 turtles. Is that like turtle D and turtle dumb? Turtle 1 and turtle 2? Okay, so we did that. 2 turtle sims will start in a new terminal. Send the ROS topic command. All right. Oh, we probably want to stop doing that. Okay, again, I'm going to make one move. So I'll grab this. Oh, we're going to move in circles, so I want to be able to see my turtles before I actually do that. So I already got turtles right here. Turtles. I don't know which one is 1 and 2. It would be nice if it told me, but whatever. Invalid message type. Oh, I'm in a new terminal, right? Pub turtle sim velocity. Invalid message type turtle sim velocity. Oops, did I read my instructions wrong? I probably did. Here. Oh, grooving earlier. Yep, no grooving earlier. I want to do a twist, not a velocity. So I think it's the same one as before. Now let me get back to my turts. Boom. Dude on the right moved first. Dude on the left is following him. Now, why would I do that in the real world? Wheels, maybe? If I'm going straight, I'll send the same command to 2 wheels. No, probably wouldn't do that. When would I do this? Setting up a drone cluster, maybe? Oh, hopefully it'll tell us. So let's let that run. You'll see 2 turtle sims start moving, even though the publish command is only being sent to turtle sim 1. Yes, it was. You can also use the RQT graph to better understand what our launch did run RQTs. Main window, select plugins, introspection, node graph. Okay, we can do that. We can do that somewhere around here. I need to set up a SSH key there. RQT. So if you didn't catch this the last time I was doing this videos, I had tunneled my X Windows session from my laptop to a host that's running all my turtle stuff, so I can kind of offload some of that CPU usage. I don't know if it's slow because it's remote or what, but I'm trying to hit plugins and it's not really doing anything. Oh, maybe now it is. Plugins. Introspection. Right? And want me to go to graphs. Probably node graph. Is that what I said? ROS graph. Yeah, I'm sure this is it. Right? Node graph. Nodes only. Namespace action sync. See, all these are right. Oh, it's super. I can't see them. See them there? They're super tiny. Let's see. How do I zoom? What if I don't tell it to fit? Oh no, that way. It worked, whatever button that was. So ROS topic, that's my publish. Going to turtle sim 1 command velocity, which is then posing to mimic turtle sim 2 command velocity. So that's, remember we looked at these before, it kind of shows the data pipeline from start to finish. So that was that. Okay, so what's next in our tutorials? Now that you've successfully used our rqtconsole and ROS launch, let's learn about editor options for ROS. You can Control-C all of your stuff. Control-C. 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 Which one was that? Okay, that's the one. This window here, we'll keep that our upper left one. This is the one that I've already gotten into the development environment and all that stuff. What's going on with you? Do I need to kill these things? Oh, nope, it died. Cool. Core dump. Let's see where it made a core. Nope, no core there. No core. Oh, oops. ROS core, there we go. Remove. I'm not gonna read a core file right now. Do you want me to? No. Alright, now back to the next editor options. Let's see what our using ROS ed to edit files in a ROS. Creating a message. Oh, that's next. Alright, using ROS ed. For example, ROS ed, ROS cpp logger.message. Okay. Oh, it didn't have Vim installed. So we'll install. How do I not have Vim installed? Ugh, Ubuntu, come on now. ROS. Okay, so it popped it up in Vim for me. String name, string level. The example demonstrates how you would edit a logger message file within the ROS-CP package. If this doesn't work, it's probably because you don't have Vim installed. Please refer to editor section. If you don't know how to get out of Vim, how do you get out of Vim? Escape. Here, I'll teach you. I'm in Vim. I have not changed anything in the file, and in fact, you can see it is read-only, so I can't actually do it. So I will hit here. I'm hitting escape a bunch of times. Q. That'll get me out of an unedited file. If I hear, and VI is a fun thing, so there are different modes. So I'm on, stupid dogs. I'm in like edit or navigation mode, so I can't really change anything. I'm using H to go left, J to go down, K to go up, L to go right. Shift A goes to the end of the line and type and insert some data. And I'm typing and check this out. So because it's read only, I'll hit escape. :W, and it won't. It's a read only, so I'll hit escape Q. Oh, I can't because nothing has changed. So I'll do escape Q ! To get the heck out of there. Do you know why my dogs are barking? I don't. All right, they're done. Nope, not done. We have deer in the backyard. They might see deer. All right, use ROS ed with tab completion. Yeah, we know about tab completion, so I'm just going to kind of skip that. The default editor for ROS ed is Vim. I'm going to use Vim. I don't want to use Nano. I'm not a beginner, but if you are a beginner and don't know how to use VI or Vim because it's a learned editor, you can use Nano or Emacs. Let's see what happens if I do that. Echo. Oops. Echo editor. Huh. No, that's odd. Oh, I see. If I have to do that, my bash RC file. Duh. Sorry. Hey, oops. Let's create a message in a server. All right, I'm going to kill this one for now. Let's see. What was I going to say? Yeah, the dogs are barking, and they won't shut up. They're right there. If you want dogs, give me a call. You can have one. Not really. My wife would kill me. So that was the first tutorial for the night. We went through a couple of debug log messages, ROS launch with multiple nodes. That was kind of cool. I didn't know about the mimic thing, so that was kind of neat. It's a neat way to chain together inputs and outputs. So I would imagine it has to be the same type. Like you couldn't chain a string to a twist message or anything like that. But that's still kind of cool. So that's it for today. Let us move on. I'm coming right back to record the next video, but check it out and find me at Fauie.com, Fauie.com, on Twitter at Chris Fauerbach, Fauerbach, or just Google Decoders Ring Podcast or Fauie.com and you'll find me. Till next time.